methods of solving simultaneous equations. Methods of solving simultaneous equations, that is pair of simultaneous equations in two variables. So here we are going to solve pair of simultaneous equations, that are linear equations, in two variables. There are of two methods. One is of substitution method, the other is of elimination method. That is elimination method by addition or by subtraction. So here in this case, that is methods of solving the simultaneous equations or pair of linear equations. So we are going to discuss about the method, that is the first method, that is substitution method. So here there are two methods of solving pair of simultaneous linear equations. Linear mean the variables degree will be of 1. So linear equations, simultaneous linear equations in two variables. So here they are of method number 1. The first method is nothing but the substitution method. Then the method 2 is nothing but the elimination method. We will follow this elimination method by addition or subtraction. But whereas here presently we are going to perform the first method, that is the method number 1, which is nothing but the substitution method. So in this substitution method, first of all we will find the value of one of the variable, that is x or y. In terms of y or x, we will find the value of the variable, say x or y, in terms of y or x from the two equations which are given first. The latter, as in the second step, by substituting the value which we got of x or y in the other equation, we get the simple equation of y or x. Then later we will solve the simple equation to get the value of that y or x. Then later, by substituting the value which we got of y or x so obtained in any one of the given equations, so that we will get the other value, say x or y. So in this manner we will get an ordered pair, which is nothing but the solution set of those two pair of linear equations. So here in this substitution method, let us write the stepwise. That is, in the step number 1, we find the value of one of the variable say either x or y, that is in terms of, we will get the value, we will solve for, first of all we will find the value of this x in terms of y or y in terms of x, that is x or y in terms of y or x. So, in terms of either y or x from the given pair of linear equations. Then now in the second step, in the step number 2, we will substitute, that is by substituting, we will substitute the value of either x or y in the other equation then we get the simple equation. So, by finding the value of x or y in the first equation, or by writing as say here, by substituting the value of x or y in the other equation, then we will get a simple equation of either y or x as variables. Then after getting the simple equation, then in step number 3, we will solve the simple equation which we got here. We will solve the simple equation so here, in order to get the value of either y or x, then as the final step, that is the step number 4. So, in step number 4 we will substitute. So, here by substituting we will substitute the value of y or x. So, here the value which we get from the simple equation, that is y or x, we will substitute this value, that is so obtained, so got in any one of the given equations, that is given linear equations. To get the other value, say either x or y. So, if we get the value of y, we will substitute the value of that particular y in the any one of the linear equation so as to get x, or in case if we get first of all the value of x, then we will substitute that x value in any one of the equation so as to get the other value, that is y. By following all these 4 steps, so here we will perform one example under this in order to find out the solution set, or in order to find out the ordered pair of the given pair of linear equations. Now, let us perform one example in our substitution method. Solve the following system of linear equations that too by substitution method only. Solution starts now. See, in our solution, whereas in the given the linear equations are of, one has x plus y minus 5 equals to 0 is one of the linear equation, and the other is of 2x minus y plus 2 is equals to 0 is the another linear equation. The first linear equation is of x plus y minus 5 equals to 0, the other linear equation is of 2x minus y plus 2 equals to 0. Solution starts now. So, in our solution, so as per problem, the given two linear equations or the system of linear equations are of. So, here system of linear equations are, one is x plus y minus 5 equals to 0, the other is of 2x plus minus y plus 2 equals to 0. The first, so here let us consider this as the first equation. X plus y minus 5 equals to 0 is the first equation, and whereas the 2x minus y plus 2 equals to 0 is the second linear equation, because since the x degree and y degree in the second equation and as well as x degree and y degree in the first equation are of each one, they are of linear equations, that to pair consisting two system of linear equations. So, we have to find out the value of x and as well as y, or in order to find out the solution set, that is the ordered pair consisting x and y values of these two linear pair equations. So, we have to follow the method called the substitution method only. So, as per substitution method, so we have to write as per this step number 1, we have to make one of the variable as the subject. So, I want to take the first equation, that is x plus y minus 5 equals to 0, which is nothing but the first equation. I want to make, so y as the subject in this case. So, plus y then equals to, so here I want to transpose, so here x plus x and as well as minus 5 on the other hand. So, here x coefficient is, so x coefficient is of 1 and the sign is of positive. When plus x is transposed over to the right hand side becomes minus x, then if minus 5 is transposed over to the right hand side becomes plus 5. So, I got this logical step. So, here by transposing here two LHS terms, that is one is of plus x, the other is of minus 5. So, transposing, so here LHS terms over to RHS. So, when LHS terms, that is plus x transposed to the right hand side becomes minus x, and the minus 5 is the left hand side term, when it is transposed to the right hand side, so here it became plus 5. So, it can also be written as plus y can be written as y is equals to positive 5 sign is of positive and x is of negative. I wanted the positive one, that is 5 in the beginning, then later x sign is of negative, I want to write it as minus x. So, y equals to 5 minus x. So, I want to treat, so here this as, or I want to write this as the, I want to assume this equation y is equals to 5 minus x as the third equation.